This is From Russia with Hope. Today is the 3rd of March 2021, and I will speak about discrimination of ethnic Bashkirts and Republic of Bashkortostan. Republic of Bashkortostan is fatherland of Bashkirts, but despite of these facts, ethnic Bashkirts are discriminated in this republic, especially in Ufa and other cities and towns. Ethnic Bashkirts are approximately 30% of population of Bashkortostan. But let's look at board of directors and management of the largest companies of Republic of Bashkortostan. First of all, let's pay your attention. Let's look at Bashneft. Bashneft is the biggest company in Bashkortostan. It should pay approximately the third part of taxes. 30-35% of all taxes should come to budget of Bashkortostan from Bashneft. And now this republic, Bashkortostan, doesn't have majority of shares of this company because this company now belongs to Rosneft. But let's look at board of directors of Bashneft. Okay, Kasimir Didier, he is not Bashkort. Zavalieva Yelena Vladimirovna, she is not Bashkort. Latipov Ural Alfredovich, maybe he is Bashkort, maybe not. Nazarov Andrei Gennadievich, he is not Bashkort. Prigoda Artem Vladimirovich, he is not Bashkort. Runye Zilko, he is not Bashkort. Tatriyev Hasan Kureishevich, he is not Bashkort. Fedorov Pavel Sergeyevich, he is not Bashkort. Hamitov Rustem Zakiyevich, he is not Bashkort. Hamitov Rustem Zakiyevich is former head of Republic of Bashkortostan. Here he is. Here's his photo. He was head of Bashkortostan these years, you see, and 2 times, almost 8 years, not almost, but 8 years. And this person is Mishar. He is not Bashkort. And when he came to power, when he came head of Bashkortostan, he fired up almost all Bashkorts from good positions. All Bashkorts from government, from other places, they were fired because they are ethnic Bashkorts. And he is ethnic Mishar. And ethnic Mishars, I see that they hate real Bashkorts. Please pay this. Please know this situation, dear people of Western civilization. Please know that some guys say that they are Bashkorts, but they hate Bashkorts, and they are not real Bashkorts. And there are lots of people who say that they are Bashkorts, but according to information, they say that they are Bashkorts only in order to come to power, to come to government, and when they come to power, they start to fire Bashkorts, hate Bashkorts, and so on and so on. So this person, Rustem Zakiyevich Hamitov, is one of them. He is not ethnic Bashkort, he is Mishar, and he was head of Republic of Bashkortostan. Please pay your attention to it. And let's look at the board of directors. Of course, he was taken to board of directors of Bashneft. He is here, he is not Bashkort. Shishkin Andrei Nikolaevich, he is also not Bashkort, of course. Vasiliek Andrei, and he is also not Bashkort. So you see, maybe he is Bashkort, maybe he is not Bashkort, I don't know, but all other guys are not Bashkorts. It is the biggest company, and in the board of directors, we don't have Bashkorts. Is it discrimination or not? How do you think? Okay, let's look at the next company. It is Bashkirskaya Sodovaya Kompania. This company is also very big. There was a lot of scandals about this company because, as I understand, one of beneficiaries of this company is Vladimir Putin. Because Vekselberg and Putin are connected, and some money of Vladimir Putin are in offshores which belong to Vekselberg. I think so. I can't prove it, but I think so. And that's why, and taking it into account that in the board of directors you will see this guy, you'll understand the situation of this company. Okay, let's check. Let's check head of directors of Bashkirskaya Sodovaya Kompania. We go here, board of directors. Okay, An Yandok, he is not Bashkort. Zhdanov Yuri Nikolaevich, he is not Bashkort. Ivanova Olga Gennadievna, she is not Bashkort. Kazakhanov Timur Ildarovich, maybe he is Bashkort, I don't know. Kovalев Mikhail Vladimirovich, he is not Bashkort. Magdanov Ildar Ziganovich, I don't know, maybe he is Tatar. Pyatlin Dmitry Yuryevich, he is not Bashkort. Ropota Grigory Alexeyevich, he is not Bashkir. Sazonov Alexey Alexandrovich, he is not Bashkir. Kharisov Albert Maratovich, maybe he is Bashkir, but I know that his ancestors are from KGB. From KGB. FSB, KGB, you understand? Chikalin Alexander Sergeyevich, he is not Bashkir. So, this guy, Kharisov Albert Maratovich, was head of representative office of Bashkortostan in Moscow, and lots of thieves and corrupted guys were able to go to him and buy companies of Bashkortostan using his connections and so on. Please take into account this, dear people of Western civilization. Please pay your attention to this fact. And let's look at Ropota. Who is Ropota? Oh my God, this is Ropota. He's a very cool guy. He's General Lieutenant. My God. And he is also State Secretary of the Union State of Russia and Belarus. Oh, he's a very, very powerful guy. My God. You understand? Do you understand who are in the board of directors of Bashkir companies? Dear people of Western civilization, I think you understand. And I think that's why you understand why there was a big struggle about mountains, Shihans, Toratau, Kushtau, and so on and so on. And more than 6,000 people were struggling against policemen, against other Nazist people from Nazist regime, and so on and so on. It was the story as the story of Avatar. And I hope in future I will make video about it. Okay, so you see, no Bashkirts in board of directors. Let's look at management of this company. This is Eduard Davudyan. His real surname is Davudyan. He is not Bashkir. He is not Bashkir. Afanasyev is not Bashkir. Bortomaina, she is not Bashkir. Muhammad Sumshad, I don't know. Maybe Bashkir, maybe not. Master Rustem, I don't know. Anufriy Vladimir, he is not Bashkir. Budugin, he is not Bashkir. Yuri Ivanov, he is not Bashkir. Babastov, he is not Bashkir. Knyazov, he is not Bashkir. Kainova, he is not Bashkir. Patsepnyak, he is not Bashkir. Rivunov, he is not Bashkir. Fatkulin Rail, maybe he is Bashkir, partly, maybe not. Khurmatulnalek, I don't know. Because he has a Russian name, but according to his family name, it's impossible to understand. So, in any case, you see, where are Bashkirts? Where are Bashkirts in Bashkir companies? Maybe there are some Bashkirts in another company, UMPO. Let's check. We go to UMPO. It is another big company which is located in Ufa, in Bashkortostan. Ufa is the capital of Bashkortostan. Let's check it. UMPO. We go here and we see that, oh my God, this is managing director, Simi Velichenko. He is not Bashkir. Okay, let's go here. It is some filials of this company and directors of these filials. He is not Bashkir, Sterkin is not Bashkir, Morchikov is not Bashkir, Postnov is not Bashkir. So we see there is no any Bashkir among management and board of directors. Okay, let's go to some management of this company. Let's check it. Simonov, he is not Bashkir. Yevstafiev, he is not Bashkir. Slipnev, he is not Bashkir. Sakov, he is not Bashkir. Lyutov, he is not Bashkir. Kondrashov, he is not Bashkir. Borisov, he is not Bashkir. Barmin, he is not Bashkir. Sakaev, Renat Rimovich, I think he is not Bashkir, but maybe he is Bashkir, I don't know. Kuchnikov, he is not Bashkir. Hamitov, Kamil Rustamovich, oh my God, who is it? Hamitov Rustem, Kamil Rustemovich. Oh, Rustemovich, it means that his father's name was Rustem. And who is Hamitov Rustem? Hamitov Rustem is the former head of Republic of Bashkortostan, who is Mishar, and who fired lots of Bashkirts from different positions because they hate Bashkirts. Oh, and now we understand. Oh my God. So he is Mishar, he is not Bashkir. Kuzmin Sergei Valerievich, he is also not Bashkir. Sergei Alexeyevich, he is not also Bashkir. He is not Bashkir. So you see, there is no any Bashkirts. If you look at board of directors of big companies in Bashkortostan, at management, there are almost no Bashkirts. Almost all Bashkirts are fired and discriminated. And you can say, maybe because Bashkirts are, their percentage in population is very low. I think that population of Bashkirs is approximately 30%, but even if we think that they are 20%, even in this case, we see that number of Bashkirs is less than 20%. In some cases, there is no Bashkirs at all. Okay, maybe you can say that maybe Bashkirs are so silly, they are not educated, so they can't go to board of directors. Okay, let's check. Let's check and look at me. My name is Shamil Amangilyan. Maybe I'm very silly. Because I am Bashkir, I should not work in Bashkortostan and so on. So this is my web page. We go to English web page and let's check. Oh, this is my daughters. This is my daughters, yes. And I should feed them. In order to feed them, I need money. In order to get money, I need to work. In order to work and have good job, I should have good education. But not in the case if you are ethnic Bashkirt. If you ethnic Bashkirt, even if you have good education, you will not be able to have good job in Bashkortostan because you will be discriminated. Dear people of Western civilization, please pay your attention to my education. I passed higher school of economics. Please pay your attention to it. I received golden medal in school. I was on Olympics. I have 2 higher educations. I became a CA member, and so on and so on. Yes, let's check everything here. This is my CV. This is my CV. You see it, and so on and so on. Where is my certificates? Let's go here. You see lots of certificates which I passed. I became CA member, Association of Certified Chartered Accountants in 2015. Please pay your attention to this fact. So I am the first ethnic Bashkirt who became a CCA member. But you are ethnic Bashkirt, so that's why you cannot work in normal positions at board of directors of Bashneft, for example, in Bashkortostan, because you are ethnic Bashkirt. Dear people of Western civilization, is it fair? You have rights of blacks, for example, in the United States of America, Black Lives Matter and so on. Bashkirt Lives Matter or not? Do ethnic Bashkirts have the right to be on the boards of directors of companies in Bashkortostan, or they don't have? Please answer to this question, dear people of Western civilization. And please also look at my IELTS, for example, my education, and so on and so on. So you see lots of my diploma. It is about higher school of economics. It's about my second higher education. It is my IELTS. It's not very big, but several years ago I passed it. This is my SA membership. This is my. It is not. This CV is not renewed, so it's not correct here. Okay, but in any case, you see the situation. If you're ethnic Bashkirt, I don't mean only myself, but if you're ethnic Bashkirts, there are very big chances that you will be discriminated and you will not be able to work in normal companies at normal positions in the Republic of Bashkortostan. Dear people of Western civilization, I know that you have the so-called human rights and you have so-called rights of ethnic minorities and indigenous communities. I guess that I am, as part of Bashkirt nation, I am part of indigenous community, so-called. So what can I do? Can you please give me some advices? Write it in comments, or maybe you can write to my email, maybe, or to my Telegram. You will see my contact details in the description to this video. So this video was devoted to describing situation with discrimination of ethnic Bashkirts in the Republic of Bashkortostan. Please know it, and if you can help, please help. This is from Russia with Hope, and goodbye and good luck.